Nob Hill is a pretty course. It's got a nice mixture of link style and parkland style holes. Now for the high handicapper like myself, it's a great challenge. It's a huge challenge. Now don't get me wrong, I came here for the golf today, but simply enjoying a rare 80-degree day in October in the Northeast was really why I came out today. And of course, these guys, the guys I'm playing with today, two of them I knew already. I came with them. I play with them often. And the other guy who I just met, he's actually a member at Nob Hill. Playing with them was an added bonus on this beautiful day. Believe it or not, I get really nervous when I'm recording in front of someone that I've never played with before. Because really, I don't want them to look at me and think that, well, he's recording, so he's slowing down the pace of play. And I definitely don't want someone judging me for recording out there on the course as a high handicapper, especially when they see me start hitting tons of bad shots. But when you think about it, we all hit tons of bad shots, don't we? So really, I gotta chill, change my mentality. I'm over here at Nob Hill and I'm about to just play the back nine. Yeah, let's see what we can do on the back nine. I played the front nine, I didn't record it, but on the back nine, let's see if I can, record this and see if I can get low. I did end the 9th hole with a birdie, so that's good momentum going into the back nine. Let's go. A lot of wind up there, you think? I think what it really boils down to is all of my own insecurities, because every stranger that I've ever played with has always been really cool about me recording. No one has ever given me any flack. I'm still rolling. And this day was no different. Now, I chose not to record today, but after I birdied hole number 9, my new friend MK, he gave me a nice little pep talk, and in so many words, he told me to get my head in the game and record for my YouTube channel. And quite frankly, that's why you're watching the back nine now. So thanks, MK. No bueno. Missed it to the left. This putt from Kevin was cash money. Nice one, man. MK followed suit and rolled a nice one in the cup. Hey, nice one. Man, I like the fist pump. I like the energy, man. That was a great shot up the right-hand side. I mean, I even surprised myself on that one. I really don't think I'm gonna have time to finish all 18 because it's dark and we got slow groups in front of us. So we're just gonna play out however many holes we can finish before it gets dark. Let's have some fun. I cannot hit my 4 hybrid to save my soul. At this point, I think I'm gonna sell this stupid thing. I know what you guys are thinking. It's not the tool, it's the carpenter. But whatever, this thing is sold. Lag putt there. Pretty good. Got to do better. We'll do better next hole. They like brothers. They like brothers. That's how brothers talk. I'm trying to explain to MK why my guys are arguing. I mean, really, they are like brothers. They argue like brothers. They fight like brothers, but it's all love between them. It's all love between all of us. And sometimes brothers are going to fight. That's just the way it gets worked out. Flew the entire green, I'm sure. Oh. Oh, wow. It dropped right in the middle. I'm in the thick stuff. Just gonna punch out of here, that's all. Thank you. Hey kids, don't even come in this stuff, okay? Just don't even come in this stuff. Just stay out of this stuff. Come on. I see somebody's ball way up there. Let me see if I can get past them at least. 4. Okay. All right, on this hole, I'm in all the elements. Sand, tall grass. Let's just see if we can get out of here. Oh, wow. Oh, boy. Four. Man, I'm back in the bunker again. One bunker shot to another one. I mean, really making a mess of this hole, but still having fun. Note to self, never lose that energy, Joe. It's just a game. Enjoy the wins and enjoy the L's. You're gonna get them both. A decent out. closest to the pin. Thank you. Let's get out of here. Made enough of a mess on this hole. Thank you. All right. Good. Oh, boy. Horrible. Okay, that should allow me a good spot to lay up. That's good. That's good. You have to have some pride about yourself. You guys are being too generous. As bad as I played, I don't think I earned any gimmies out. No way that was good. I couldn't take that. I did take some others though, but not this one. It was just too far away. Long, right? Going in. I thought that was going in. Tried to walk it in like I was smooth. I know I ain't smooth. Y'all know I ain't smooth. Oh boy. Whoa. Whoa. Don't be wet, don't be wet, don't be wet, don't be wet. I think that's wet. That's a good shot. This is going in. Maybe not. Near those bunkers, maybe? Oh, can't believe that. Oh boy. Not good. Ooh, it's too fast. Oh. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's go. Hustle, 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 hustle. Did. It's wet. Call those baptisms. This is how dark it is. The moon is out, guys. Not bad with the moon out. All right, guys, it's too dark out here to finish anything. I had fun. This round was all about fun. It wasn't really about keeping score because I only started recording on the back nine, but man, it was fun. I love Nob Hill. Can't wait to come back here and give y'all a proper video. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Have fun playing golf, look good while you do it, and play bad at night. Bye. I'm just chipping just for fun. I'm done. All right. Oh, almost.